Te lo dije bien clarito.
Hello guys, welcome back to Cocktail Kitchen. We're doing some cocktails. We have Olando with us from Tropic City, one of my favorite cocktail bars in town. And today is sticky, right?
Yeah.
What are we making, Olando?
We make Jungle Bird, classic from Kuala Lumpur. We're using the Mount Gay Black Barrel with Campari, pineapple juice, lime juice, and a little bit of simple syrup. Shaking the drink
In those glasses.
in the glass over some ice, and then
Let's rock and roll.
let's do it.
Good. So we're starting with the base ingredients, building up with the rum.
They're making two, so 25 mils of lime for one drink, and then 30 mils pineapple for one drink. 60.
Nice.
Add in the Campari.
So we have some fruits from the pineapple, some fruit flavors in there, some bitter flavors from the Campari, sweet and bitter, and then we wrap it up with the rum.
Just to balance out a little bit of
Sugar.
So that was 15 mils of Campari, and the same for the simple. 15 mils, so 30 mils total. And then for the rum, we have 45 mils each.
So it's a nice and solid portion of rum in there.
Yeah.
Good.
Beautiful. This is definitely one of my favorites, especially since working at Tropic City.
Yeah.
It's very approachable for someone who is not really fully into tropical drinks, but it's got that really nice balance and it's super easy to drink.
Has some nice dimension.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so we have all the ingredients in the shaker.
Yeah.
You close it up, you got some ice in here. This is when the magic happens.
Yeah, that's
Rock and roll. Yes. And just need a strainer. It's nice and frothy, right? So if you give a nice shake, it becomes creamy.
Beautiful, that lovely color. It's been probably almost 2 months that I haven't had one of these. Yeah. So looking forward to it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Absolutely. And then we just garnish with a bit of dehydrated pineapple on the top. Beautiful.
Excellent.
Look at that. There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, what's that
Thank
beautiful
you.
foam?
Wow. This is great. Cheers.
Yeah.
It has nice sweetness from the pineapple and the rum, with some bitter flavor, which opens up your palate.
And then the nice little bit of citrus to balance with it all.
It has a bit of a dryness to it also. I like that. It's not too sweet. So this is a tropical drink.
Tropical drink.
From KL, so
From KL.
close to home.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
It's a wonderful, easy to drink. Yeah, it's so good.
Man. Thanks Olando. Thanks guys.
Nice. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
5 de la mañana.
No todo lo que es oro brilla.